Good morning. You just send this out to everybody. Dun, dun, dun. Good morning, peoples. See if I can send this out to the squadrons. Dun, dun, dun. What up, guys? Yo, there's been some fire music that was sent to me, but I don't know how to set it up here. So anyway, let's get into the chart, shall we? So market is open, and so what I have here is I've got this 15-minute inversion gap marked out. That's about 50% of this drop from this swing high to this swing low. It looks like we tapped into it for the open here. I have a, markup here where if we, tapped into this fair value gap, I wanted to go short. Thanks, Osman. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Yayınlar. Okay, that's a tough word. Yayınlar. Kral. Oh, thank you. I'm not sure what that means, but that's a tough word. So yeah, I got this 50-minute IFEG marked out, and yeah, seeing some good reaction here from it, a rejection from it, and I have this target here, which is the new week opening gap. I think we start to head to that price, but this is just happening too fast. I mean, I could have been in this short already, but it's just happening too fast. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't think we met. İsmin ne? And do you know Osman? Hey, good morning, Paul. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing for the open. I'm just waiting for the first 15 minutes to just kind of shake out and just oh, you're the brother? Oh, okay, nasılsın? We're for good bear. Yeah, we are waiting for a good bearish momentum on this candle. Yeah, I mean, looks like we're gonna take these target here. I was short last night actually. I got short like over here somewhere, and I just wanted to wassle, and I would have hit my TP, but I woke up middle of the night and I closed out. It was stupid. But yeah, if I just held that wassle, it would have been take profit already. But whatever, So yeah, what I'm seeing here now is that we probably want to fill the rest of this gap here. That's what I'm seeing. I think it's going to come down and fill this gap. Yeah, man. So that's what I'm seeing. It's just a strong bearish reaction off this level. It's where I wanted to get short, but gonna wait for another opportunity to present. We have previous days point of control down here at the 60s. So that could be wanting to get engaged with as well. Today is Monday. I mean, don't have to force anything. Um, it's the start of the week. Let's see what happens. How was your weekend, guys? What did you guys do? Did you go see a movie? Did you go on dates? Did you go to nice restaurants? Did you travel somewhere? How did you spend your weekend? Ooh, this is interesting market today. Let's see. You are like a shark when it comes to reversals. You are smelling blood. It is unfortunate that you close the position at night, but I admire your predictions in terms of reversals. Yeah, thanks, man. I can smell it coming. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I can smell things coming. Hey, Mexicani, how are you, brother? I had a good weekend. Just worked and yeah, kept my mind solid. So yeah, just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. We are looks like we're sweeping Asia low as well. Like this is Asia low here where these equal lows are. So this could still, you know, sweep this and continue up. I think if we get like a closure above this inversion gap where we're getting a strong reaction, like how I have predicted here, I think we could take a long, but we'll see. This is kind of a difficult spot at this moment. You can see there's buyers and sellers are fighting right now. It's a doji. Fixing up to be a doji right now. We shall see. I think we're gonna have a good week. We're gonna have good trades. We're gonna be patient. I'm not gonna. I'm not. This week I'm gonna try not to trade every single day. I'm gonna be more patient. 1 hour fair value. Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour IFEG. Yeah, that's the same area. 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, I like that too, Osman. That would create this higher low here, and then we would just catch the chunk of this here. We would get confirmation that this is a higher low. Instead of catching it here, I'd rather be safe and catch it here to take it long. I like that idea, Osman. Okay, so we got the close of that candle. That'd be so funny if we just range again for New York session. It's been crazy. Crazy sessions we've been having for New York. I mean, pre-market, we had this big sell-off. I mean, it's kind of annoying that they do this pre-market when this is such a clean move. And they make the New York Open a little bit difficult. Tough spot here. Yeah, you were out most of last week. Yeah. Last week was hard. Definitely on hard mode. NASDAQ. Definitely on hard mode. Yeah, for me, I was green on the week, but just kind of surviving. you know, just crawling. Maybe because we didn't sweep the small high or we're going up. Sweep the, well, I think this is the sweep looking like this is fixing to be a sweep. This is typically what we see for longs to come in, but not getting the bullish market structure shift just yet. Yeah, this is not valid. Okay. I think we might come down. I think we will fill this gap. See, this acts as a fair value gap from this here to this. This new week opening gap acts as a fair value gap. So we tapped into it as a draw on liquidity. We had Asia low as draw on liquidity. So if we close now, if we can start framing shorts here, let's see. I would like to see this maybe down at previous day's point of control. We would just be late to the party, I guess. Because Asia low is also a level that I like to take shorts from. Like if we break strongly below Asia low, then I would come up, and if it did something like, oops, if it did something like this, Allah. Give me 1 second. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, there's my tool. Okay, where was I? Yeah, so if it comes down like this, something like that. All right. Yeah, but this is giving me sweepy vibes. But just reading, I don't know. This is also creating a trend line liquidity. Tory trades. Shout out Tory trades. Like if we break this, it would be nice. But kind of looking like shit right now. My weekend was good. I just worked, and then what else did I do? You know, went to the gym and just did my routine kind of things and kept it simple. Also searching for some homes or apartments. Maybe looking to move here pretty soon. We'll see. Yeah, see, this is giving me sweepy vibes. And buyers might take control. Let's see. 1 minute. Dun, dun, dun, dun, ba-da-dun, dun, dun, dun. This is, yeah, okay. I have aggressive sell from 32.5 with the 20 minutes. I'm already take part in break stops to even. Okay, break the even 326. Okay, 326. Oh wow, you're short from up here. You're short from up here, buddy. Oh, let me see this trade. I gotta see this. I gotta see this. Let me see this. NASDAQ. Ooh, look at you, man. 20. Oh my God, $5,000. Is this an eval? Mexicani. You beast. Woo. 20 minis. Oh my God, dude. Savage trade, man. Savage trade. What made you want to short there? I'm just curious. Can you explain it? I see your trade, but there's no markup or any kind of context of why you took the trade. So I'd be curious to know what it is that you did. So yeah, this is looking like buyers want to step in. Looks like buyers want to step in. Also, another confluence for the longs would be closure above midnight price as well. So finding midnight as a support. So like this. So something like that. Whoops, that was a little too much. Like something like that, where midnight price is going to be the support. Yes, but maybe we'll go back because we didn't sweep that small high on a daily. Yeah, on the daily chart. It looks like we swept a lot of things on the daily. I think. I just think the market is just super bullish right now. Let's see what else. Oh, ES. Okay, so we have something going on here. We got ES tanking, and then NASDAQ holding up. Let me see what YM's doing. Going down. So, that's tough. I hate when the indices are out of sync. They've been like that lately. I don't know why. What's going on with that? But I don't mind being flat today either. Don't have to take a trade. That's, if you have that mantra, if you deal with like over trading or whatever, just say to yourself, I don't have to take a trade today. Like if you come to the desk, you're all hyped up and ready to take a trade, just be like, I don't have to take a trade today. I could just sit on my hands and watch. And some people, they do that. They just, you know, they sit on their hands for Mondays. They don't trade Mondays. They just watch. Okay. Yeah, it's tough to short it here. I don't know. Hmm. You closed half Mejikani. I sent my analysis Saturday on the trade room. You can check and told you. What do you think? Oh yeah, you did, huh? Yeah, dude. Oh, now I see it. Yeah, solid, man. You think we go lower, huh? You're like short bias. You want us to go lower? I hear you. I hear you on that. If it's anywhere to go short, it would be here, but I don't like how buyers are just stepping in really aggressively. And we have room to the upside. We had an OB on the daily there, and it's just to touch it, and there was and you put your sell limit there. You savage. You're just out here predicting the market, huh? With your limit orders. Good job, though. Very good. Yeah, I think there was an order block there, like you put. Oops. Oops. You guys like my lights? I got the lights going. What? Hey. Okay. Enough of my face. Hold on. Okie dokie. Ba ba ba ba ba. Like this. Okie dokie. Yeah, we're just still chopping in this range here. I don't know. People getting caught up probably in their longs and shorts. This is kind of looking like shit on the 1 minute. Ugh. Yeah, send it. Can you send it in the chat? Which brand is it? Which brand? Which one? My lights? I just got it from Amazon. I can send you the link. It changes colors too. You can change the colors. Honestly, I can't really predict that far out. Mijikani. I think I'm just gonna read intraday price action here, and that's kind of where I'm gonna stay. The 4 hour. 4 hours gonna close here in 2 minutes. We have this fair value gap that got inverted here on the 4 hour. If we close below it, if we close below it, I think we're just damn. And we tap this 4 hour gap. Tough read. Let's see. Whoops. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you're looking for one? Okay, yeah, I'll send you the link for the one I got. Osman. It wasn't too expensive either. They look cool, yeah. Very vibey. Um, 4 hours about to close, and we have swept this low. We have swept the previous 4 hour high and previous 4 hour low. This candle's previous is high and the low. We took the high and the low. For longs, I would like to see us sweep the low. If I'm bullish. So, yeah, man, I know Mejikani. I know, believe me, I've done overnight trades and I've done swing trades and they paid out really well. And I would do it with 1 micro and it would be solid. I would have had that this morning, but closed out. A lot of indecision here. If we could get a strong closure below Asian low, I'll take it short to previous day's point of control. If we close above this 15-minute gap and midnight price, I'll take it long. Hopefully that's clear. And pretty logical, I think. Because right here, anything in here is tough. One more confirmation. Right now, this is fixing to be like a higher low. You know? We're at the VWAP, overnight VWAP. We're right now at the overnight VWAP. So that means it could act as resistance. So I'll put that on. Let me put this VWAP on. So this could act as resistance. This overnight. So overnight we had buyers in control over the overnight VWAP, and now at the open here we're getting some rejections and sellers step in. So that tells us that they're in control. So 4 hour closed. Close bearish. Do we get the sells here? Hmm. What are you guys thinking? I know Mejikani, he's short bias. Osman, what do you think? Osman, what's your brother's name? I forgot. You told me, but I forgot. Tough spot. I would like for buyers to come in, closing above VWAP, closing above midnight would be nice. Neko. Neko ne demek? Neçmedin. Neçmedin? Neçmedin? Is that how you pronounce it? I've never heard that word or that name. Neçmedin. Öyle mi söylüyorsun? Öyle mi? Neçmedin. Okay. I think we go lower today. Potentially taking out previous day's low. This daily fair value gap as well as a draw on liquidity. So that could be a target to the downside. This is untapped daily fair value gap. But yeah, I just would like a little bit. Yeah, it looks like sellers want to step in. Oh, cool. That's good. That's better. Oh yeah. Okay. So. Şöyle böyle. Şöyle böyle. Yeah, tough read here. Tough read. I mean, it looks bearish, but also looks kind of bullish. So when I was younger in my trading, I used to take my hands. I used to just sit on them literally. I used to literally sit on my hands. In the market open, I would just sit on my hands. Because sometimes you have your hand on the mouse and you want to click it. So put my hands in my pocket or put my hands under my butt. Okay. What is ES doing? ES is moving lower. Okay, let's see. ES is moving lower. Did we get a pullback at all? No? Okay. They do. Okay. Just wants to come lower, I think. We have to literally sit on them right now. Yeah, man. Literally. Allah. Okay. I think we're gonna break these lows, and that's what it looks like it's fixing to do. Looks like it's fixing to break the lows, but this indicator here, this is a very powerful indicator. It's a TDI. This is a buy signal. You know, if this comes out like this, like a W, like a V, and then crosses the green line, crosses the red and the blue. We have that means the green line is the price can go all the way up. to this blue line. So that's a buy indication. But what price is doing right now is going lower. But Asian low is kind of holding up right now. But if we break it aggressively, something like that. This is going to be a gap as well. I mean, hmm. We did have these nice rejections of midnight price and overnight VWAP. So these shorts are making sense at this level. We're also in that 50% range of that, so kind of would have been a good area to take shorts. But we could always get more confirmation for shorts to come in and take it to lower prices here. So we could always enter the markets. We just want the market to show our hand and go from there. Let me check something on my phone real quick. I still haven't gotten paid from Topstep. They said that they paid me, but I still haven't gotten the money in my account. It's been, they said 7 to 10 business days, so it's gonna maybe take a little bit. But I have $10,000 on the way. Gonna do some cool stuff with that money. All right, so tapped into this fair value gap now, into the gap. Everyone sees this gap, right? They want this to fill. So tapped into 50%, got a reaction off of it. I want easy money trades, There are big sellers in the market. Yeah, I think so, man. I want this to come down. I want this to come all the way down. Like, I want this thing to come like all the way down. There's a lot of targets that I want to be met, but these CPIs and all that shit made the market super bullish. And on the daily time frame, we're making, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I would like to see us in the week here come to this daily fair value gap to potentially, go higher, because I'm always looking for shorts, What am I planning to do with the payout? I don't know. I either need to move or put a down payment for a house, something. Something with the living situation, I feel. Thinking about a house. Maybe putting my brother and I together, putting our money together, and maybe getting something. Because he does really well with his restaurant. He makes good money. My brother. So we shall see strong reaction, strong rejection off of this 50% of this gap of the new week opening gap. Strong reaction. Ugh, this looks like crap on the 1 minute. Like, what do you do with this? Yane. Yeah, I had two brothers. One is passed away, 2 3 years ago, and then one is uh one is with me. He's only a year and a half older than me, so yeah, man, definitely I would love to hang out with Osman, definitely for sure. Would have a awesome time. Yeah, Mijikani, I don't know. You still had me holding onto your shorts, buddy. I think you took some profits, but it's okay. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, he was young. He was like 40, 43, but God bless him. He was a good man. Volkan abi. Yeah, like, strong reaction off this 15-minute gap, off this over new week opening gap. Still finding resistance at overnight VWAP at this level. Um, yeah, Volkan abi, yeah. Holding 50% in stop loss break even. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I know you guys like to take partials. I think Osman likes to take partials as well. He secures like 75% of the position or 50% of the position, and then you do that, right? I think he does. What's ES doing? Let's take a look at ES. ES is just moving lower. YM also looking like it's moving lower. NQ stuck. NQ is stuck. Very sweepy with Asian lows, new week opening gap. You know, a lot of rejections here. I might be flat today. I might be flat, but we'll see what develops. Yeah, you hold overnight. Yeah, I don't think so. Nothing right now that you can hold overnight with the futures props. But I think there might be an account coming out. I'm not sure. I think a swing account for some firm. I'm not sure. I think maybe E8. I don't quote me on that one, but I think E8 might be having a swing account for futures. But I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Next 15-minute candle closes. Hmm. Overnight VWAP still holding as resistance. This is kind of relative equal lows. I wouldn't be surprised if we sell off again here. Oh, this looks like shit. You are long at 122. 122. You savage. What? Wait a second. There's clearly a different price on the CFD. Is the 200? Oh, you're at 200. You're long here. Okay, 200. So you're in a break even kind of. What is your confirmation for those longs? Um, let's just go niche midden. Niche midden. There should be 200. Okay, so you're doing a CFD or something? Niche midden. I don't know. This is kind of ugly right now. He's long around 3224. Okay. I hear what you're saying. What was the confirmation for your longs? Is this that sweeping of Asian low and you're making higher lows, or uh, it's new one that I think didn't find many reviews. Four-hour gap retracement. I took 5-minute sweep. Expansion candle as entry. Got it. Expansion candle. You're seeing that as a sweep. Okay, so taking out this low. Yeah, I feel you on that. I feel you on that. It's just that this swept this high. This 4-hour candle swept this high, which I don't like. I don't like for the longs. But if they do want to take it long, they're making it very difficult. But this is not looking bullish at the moment. Intraday, 4-hour. It's kind of a tough area. Hopefully, what's your sizing like, niche midden? Yeah, we kept projecting this overnight VWAP. Looks like price wants to go lower. You got ES going lower. NASDAQ. I want a strong closure below Asia low so I could take it short there. Obviously, it would have been a better entry here around midnight. And overnight VWAP. Kind of spent some time there. A little bit annoyed that I didn't take an entry. But not pajam. Or let's go. 0.5 on the funded at the moment. I'm in drawdown right now. Okay. Just going to be patient here. Wait for candle closures on the 15-minute. Closing below Asia low. And retesting Asia low, where we found support here for a little bit. See, we found some support here. So I want to see that support act as resistance and come down to previous day's point of control. That's what I want to see. Yeah, sellers are stepping in. This is a pretty aggressive candle here, but higher time frame context, you know, we swept out this high from Friday and we displaced lower. So the short's making sense. Down to midnight would have been a good short, but this was all pre-market. What are you gonna do? But I know Osman, you see, I don't know how often you take trades on NASDAQ pre-market. Mejikani, are you reading some kind of order flow or like book maps or something to identify all these sellers or these big volume contracts, or are you just watching the DOM? I'm just curious on that. I think I might take a stab at a short. I'm just gonna wait for candle closure. I'm gonna wait for candle closure, like I said. Wait for candle closure. Atlas. Atlas is must be an order flow software. Is it like a footprint chart or like? Yeah, people have been saying to try to treat the pre-market like a separate session apart from the market open. So like they'll trade two separate trades in each session as the session changes over. We have a lot of bullish gaps too. We have this one unmitigated. There's almost no trade in London session. Yeah, you kind of have to wait for the New York Open. Best session to trade for me is London session in the morning when the head is clear as fuck. Yeah. Yeah, for London session, you have the DAX and the FTSE, right? As far as indices, yes, you have a footprint and have a heat map, big trade depth of market to many indications. Nice. Sellers. Delta bars and CVD. Okay, nice. So you can see the CVD change. What is the CVD right now? I'm curious. Everyone advised me to focus on the markets only. On one market, yeah, that would be NQ, but it means no trade in London session. Yeah, I agree. What I recommend is focusing on one asset to trade. But for you, it's difficult because, like you said, the timings. And everyone in the group, we've been trading NASDAQ, and that's what we, do all of our analysis and markups and trades on NASDAQ for the New York Open for the most part. So I don't know. You kind of have to see how your personality with that unfolds. Yeah, I don't mind being flat either. I could also practice that muscle of being flat. Could do that. Could practice that muscle. Just waiting for this closure to happen. Looks like it wants to close below. Asian low. Um, Previous day's low is looking juicy too, man. Friday's low. This could be taken out too. Come down to this daily gap. I'd like to see that happen. I'm curious, did you get stopped out an inch mid? Are you holding it? See? That's why I wait for candle closure. PDL is definitely a possibility. Yeah, I mean, apparently there's a 95% chance Edge will stat. He got stopped out. He has to pick up his wife. He's married too? My God, you guys are busy. What was I saying? Oh yeah, Edge will stat. 95% chance we take out either the high, previous day's high or previous day's low for Edge full stat. And right now, the higher probability is taking out the previous day's low based on this market structure. Looks like it's shifting market structure to take out this low. Did you get Edgeful, Osman? I know you talked about wanting to get an Edgeful. It's a new song. Let's see if it's a new song. It's a really good song. Alarm goes off, I'm up. Cold water, clear my face. Coffee black, screen glow, same book, same pace. Check the overnight range, read the gap with care. Levels on a whiteboard, no room for prayer. News feed, calendar, burners in the air. What moved, what trapped them, what ran and why they. No rush, no chase, hands still, I sway. If the ticket is loud, I stay quiet inside. I came to do my job, not let feelings decide. Conquer the market, conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. Conquer the market. MNQ, I wait for the cue. No emotion, just rules, and I follow through. Mark the high, mark the low, note the opening drive. That's where the weak stop, sit where the trap survives. Size is small at first, let the plan unfold. One clean entry better than being bold. If it drops all morning, I don't need to prove that the bad trade passed me, that the good one moved. But no rush, no change, hands still, I straight. If the P&L swings, I'll swing with it too. I came to stay sharp and do what I said I'd do. Conquer the market. Conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. Conquer the market. MNQ, I wait for the cue. No emotion, just rules, and I follow through.
one chart at a time. If I miss the first move, I don't lose my mind. Win with the plan, not the heat of the day. Take what the setup gives, then step away. Conquer the market. Conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. Conquer the market. MNQ, I wait for the cue. No emotion, just rules, and I follow through. Conquer the market.
Woo! Fire. Conquer the market. Hopefully that didn't sound like shit for you guys. Yeah, this is a chop session. I don't know if you guys took trades here or this is looking like bleh. Like a bleh. It's making lower highs, higher lows. I mean lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, conquer the market. Is it conquer the market? I was here. Come to the market. No, conquer the market. I could send it. It's a good song. I like it. I'll send it to you. Da-da, da-da. Nothing happening here. Just Chop City. Yes. Yes, made a move. But yeah. Let me see something real quick. I might go ahead and end the stream early, guys, but I'm not sure because I'm just sitting here. Nothing really happening. So I might end it in a little bit here. You guys see what I'm looking for, you know, break below, Asian low, closure below this level, retesting it and then coming down.
We go get that stop now. I mean, looking on the regular trading hours, it's low.
Or we come up and take this, midnight, find support at midnight and take it long. That's what I'm seeing. So, yep. Hope you guys, can we start a challenge for you? Let's see a payout target, and once you reach to that target, make a trip to Europe and let's go to Amsterdam. Yeah, man. Let's do it, brother. Let's do it. I like that idea. We got to think of the target. So, payout target 10,000. I think if I hit 10,000 again next month, I would be a very happy camper. I'll be able to travel and do stuff. So, let's shoot for next month. 10,000. All I have to do is make 5,000 in my accounts, and I can take a $10,000 payout every month. So every month, if I make 5,000 across my 4 accounts, I could take 2,500. And yeah, I think yeah, man. I think we can do it. You know what I mean?
These sellers, it's undervalue area.
Yeah. It's just tough on NASDAQ here. Whoa. You really didn't expect, so maybe at Christmas. Wow, let's go. Yeah, man. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I would like another 10K payout. I want that to be a normal thing where it's just 10K payout, 10K payout every month. But you have to stack accounts for that. You gotta have accounts. Yeah, August has been kind of shitty. It's the middle of summer. I mean, it's kind of tough. It's been, I mean, yeah, like, what do you do with this? Like, how do you make money here? Shitty. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, so far so good. I'm up on my accounts. So I just have to, yeah, I'm gonna shoot for the $5,000 profit target. So I can, as long as I hit it by mid-September, I'm good to go for that 10,000 payout. So by mid-September, I want to get these accounts up another 5,000. I think I'm like close to 1,000 already. So 4,500 I have to make. Let me see. Let me see exactly how much I have to make. Yeah, like 500 I already made. So 4,500 I have to make. I can do it. I can do a 4,500 by September, mid-September. Come on. I can do it, bro. I can do that. No problem, brother. Just have to not trade in days like this. Good thing I stay flat. Dealing with this bullshit. Monday. Monday. Oops. Something happened to my stream. What the fuck? Oh.